Square payment link tutorial, how to send payment links through Square. First, you want to sign into your Square account. Then, from the left hand side, we will go into orders and payments. Here, you should see payment links. Click on it, and then you want to click on payment links once more. Now, it's going to take us to this page where we have to choose a purpose. You have the option of taking a payment, selling an item, selling an event or class, and accepting a donation. For this, we will do taking a payment, and you want to click on continue. Now it's going to look like this. We have to type the details. For this, we will type the title. I'm going to do it as an album payment link. You have to choose whether it's any amount or an exact amount. If it's an exact amount, you will choose this option, and the amount is going to be how much you are selling this for. Let's do $10. You have to choose the frequency. It's either going to be a one-time payment, it can be a weekly payment, every other week, monthly, quarterly, twice a year, and annually. I will leave it as a one-time payment, and here you can type a description. You can type payment link for the album, in my case. And also you can attach a file here by clicking upload image, and you can add images to your payment link. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, you will see custom fields for checkout. If you toggle this on, you can create a custom field here, and you can add multiple custom fields as well. For now, I will disable this. Tipping, if you want to enable tipping, you can just check this. And also you have the option of redirecting to a website after checkout. Here you can type the website URL, but I will just not do it for this. Now you can view the mobile view here and also the desktop view. Afterwards, you can click on save, and this is going to create the payment link. And here you can click on edit, you can email it, you can create a QR code for it, and so on and so forth. Click on done, and that is how we create a payment link for Square. You can click on share, copy link, and you can send this payment link now. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.